treatment from friendly staff.
Should be okay today, going to stay dry and cloudy for the most part with highs of 19. From Global's newsroom for Capital Liverpool, I'm Chris Chambers.
This is Capital from Global.
Just another Tuesday morning on the way to my first lesson. Busy road heading towards the docks in Liverpool, and it's quite common to have plenty of lorries about. But honestly, not many of them act like this guy. Here he is coming up in the outside lane, but there's a gap, so I'm going to move out to overtake. I match my speed to the Mercedes in front. But this guy has taken objection to the driving school car being in lane 2. He's caught me up and he's travelling way too close, so I've kept my distance from the Mercedes. Now he's going to do whatever he can to bully me out the way. Just look how close he's travelling. It's only a little over a white line marking in the middle of the road. If there's an idiot following you close behind and the traffic's queuing up ahead, slow down early and control them with your braking. It's much safer. Now remember I just said he was travelling just over the length of a line away. That's only a car length. Have a look at the length of the Mercedes again to the left. Now watch the lorry driver's actions.
Drop back a little bit, mate.
And that's why the audio of the car has been off throughout this clip. It's because I had the radio on. But that's the only thing I said throughout this whole incident. Now he's dropped back into lane 1. Let's have a little think about the dangers of the lorry driver driving so close. Well, earlier on I was going past queuing cars. What if someone walked out? Think of the stopping distances of that vehicle. I'll also be interested to know from any lorry drivers who watch this clip. If this container lorry, which did end up going to the docks, was in that much of a rush, would there be anything at the docks that could make that happen? Do you get time slots that you've got to arrive there by? Or is just this impatience at its finest? Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. I hope you've learned how to control these road bullies. Keep safe.